Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to upgrade your audio game with the most epic headphones out there? The Beats Solo 4? I just got my hands on these and I'm blown away by the lightning-fast wireless connectivity and insane sound quality. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action with the custom acoustic architecture and updated drivers that deliver powerful Beats sound. The personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking is like having your own private concert. It's that immersive. Plus, the Ultralight ergonomic design makes it feel like you're wearing air, with flex grip headband and ergonomically angled ear cups that fit like a glove. The UltraPlush ear cushions are so soft and comfy you'll forget you're even wearing them. And with up to 50 hours of battery life, you can keep the music going all day and night without needing to recharge. Thousands of customers have made the switch to the Beats Solo 4, and it's clear why. It's a total game changer. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, these headphones deliver crystal clear sound and a fit that's tailored to your head. The LED lights are a sick touch, adding a stylish flair to your look. I've tried other headphones before, but none of them come close to the Beats Solo 4. It's the perfect combo of style, sound, and comfort. If you want to take your music experience to the next level, look no further. The Beats Solo 4 is the way to go. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's a total winner. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.